Hey there, and welcome back. Rachel Tyrell, myself. There we go. Back. Blue gloves, blue hair, blue dress, blue tights, blue. This is a chair that I got off of Craigslist like a few weeks ago. And this, check it out. So I will show you guys the before pictures later in some of the video. I had ended up dyeing this fabric. I ended up using Rit dye in purple or fuchsia. Still go probably a little bit darker. Sanding, I sanded this thing to like, yeah, you can't even imagine. 4 photos of this, but there are really sharp staples here. And the wood, it's kind of buckling. It's really soft in parts. So when I'm taking out the staples, it's been just kind of, it is. Now I am wearing the gloves. I do have gloves on. This stuff, I got this on sale at Fred Meyer. It was in clearance. It's Minwax, it's water-based. I'm staining this thing and it's been really, really cool. Additional staining things. It doesn't smell. It's a really nice dark green. Super easy wash. Start restaining this again and just kind of dabbing at it. And it's been good. It's pretty quiet outside and I feel like the backyard is my moment of kind of tranquility. Really, birds are being kind of quiet, so that's kind of cool. And earlier to the car wash, that was kind of the excitement for the day until I got back to this chair. I hope you can like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing all kinds of weird and wacky stuff. This channel. The other one I'm trying to be like straight-laced and stuff, and I don't know if that's working out for me. Really serious stuff I'm dealing with sort of health-wise. Not COVID. You always have to be vigilant about the COVID though, because COVID doesn't sleep. I miss thrifting. I miss all this stuff. You know, I miss really junking around before, but my parents met at the West Hollywood swap meet. So because of junk that I am here. Stay in this a little bit. I've been very impressed with this stuff, even if I purchased it full price. Things in this world that I like to do. And this is one of them. Get a chance to. The weather had abated today. These last couple of days in Portland, it's like 100 degrees, back 93 degrees, and a lot of humidity. By the way, Monday is supposed to be hellish here. It's supposed to be 100 degrees. I am going to take every chance I can with these nice cool breezes. You can see my hair moving. Breezes. Best you can. I'm really impressed with this stain so far. That's what I thought it would, and then some. Reminded with when I see a piece, I think it wants to be finished. I like a ton of money because obviously that's for free, but I think other than my time, which is just, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours so far, or so for the materials, and then I just have these gloves anyway for my hair dye. So, thanks so much for joining me with this. I will have more photos of it later. Hi! My assistant Tiger is helping out. He's inspecting our concealer. Cat, don't get green stain all over you. Do you smell things? Oh, you're just checking it. I know. I'm sure it smells like Come here, Tiger. Are you checking it out? Meow. Hi. Hi. There he is. See, you like weird smelling things. Smelling acetone when I was painting my nails the other day. He kept sniffing at the nail polish. I'm like, yeah. That might explain a lot, but anyway, affectionately known as Buttercat. Leave the butter dish on the counter. He will headbutt it until he licks the butter, and I've even seen his little teeth marks in it. Also, it's possible that he's mayonnaise and cream cheese cat too, but we love him anyway. He's a good boy. He's gained a little bit of weight with this COVID thing since we've been in captivity, a pound, and for him though it's kind of a lot because he was like 16.3 or something. He's like tipping the scales at 17 pounds. So it's a little workout to carry him down the basement stairs. Yeah, but he's been my faithful assistant. He's been really, really good. He meows and he's, you know, very encouraging. A lot of the time he likes to nap on the job though. You know, it's so hard to find good help these days. Put your silly nose in here. Are you under the other chair? Yeah, he's inspecting the other chair and he's doing that weird thing where their mouth stays open, where they like smell something and they go like that. He's kind of doing that thing with his mouth right now. But yeah, I'm glad to have the help out here with Tiger, so.